Bro, listen to me. You are not yet in this marriage move, but already you jumping from one tree to another tree. What kind of way?
Now what has that got to do with you, huh?
I'm beginning to think you're taking my job, Exo.
Ek sê my broer, do you think you Tarzan that you can jump from one boom to the other boom to?
Well, to tell you the truth, fortunately, things didn't work out between me and Cookie. Then I decided to go back to my ex-girlfriend, Cathy.
So, that is your ex-girlfriend, Cathy. So, let me know my facts straight, crazy. You took this very tasteless milky bar.
Ja.
For Cookie. Ja, sis, my bro. Dan het sy mos vir Cookie reg overlookie.
Listen here, Katanki. Are these the kind of people you associate with?
Well, I'm very particular, sorry, but this is not my company.
Well, then let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
So, how'd you like to ring up with you?
Oh, Katanki, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it.
Thank you, dear.